back in with another new video, and today I'm gonna share like the most great, beautiful, best way, documented in a best way possible JavaScript learning course. No, it's not a course. It's just a documentation, like it's documentation pattern or whatever you wanna call it. It is that okay. But from here you can learn JavaScript. Okay, in a most beginner friendly possible way, because I am learning it myself from here, so that's why I am promoting it too much. Whatever, let's get straight to the website and then we will see. Like, another thing I would like, well, whatever, I will mention it later. Let's just see this website. So here we are at our today's site, that is javascript.info, like the best possible site ever to learn JavaScript. Now, as I have told you earlier, like if you have seen any of my videos, not any of my, some of my videos where I mentioned this, that I'm a visual learner. I used to like usually learn from a video better than a written document. But in this case, like I am familiar with JavaScript a lot. Like I know the basics and I know how to use it. I don't know the like advanced stuff. Okay, but I know all of the basics and all. Okay, and still I am using it everywhere. I know how to like create React apps or Next apps without knowing JavaScript. That is kind of a silly thing, but yeah, I know, and I have worked with it. Okay, whatever. The thing is, this is the possibly most like best quality content ever I have found out about JavaScript, because this actually have a course structure. Because here you can see in the basic section they have introduction, manuals and specification, code editors, developer console, blah blah blah, whatever. Then when it comes to fundamentals, it has started with hello world. Then it explains code structure. Then the modern mode, use strict variables, data type, and they have explained everything. That's the most preferable thing here. In the variables they have started I am seeing that I was seeing that they have kept like const, that is constant, and let. Okay, I was searching for where is var. There should be var. Like, yes, var is not recommended to use in modern JavaScript, but there should be a mentioning about it. Like, they should have mentioned about it. So there's some portion where they have actually mentioned about it. And like, if I want to search var, control F, var. Oh, such a dumb, whatever. Here you can see that they have mentioned here var instead of let. In older scripts, you may have also used var blah blah blah. That's not our thing. The var keyword is almost same as let, and blah blah blah. These are the subtle difference between var and let, but they do not matter for us yet. We'll cover them later in detail in the old var chapter. So they have made a different chapter for old war. Like, wow. Like, and they have done it for different other topics as well. Like, something that should be mentioned in the basic chapters, but have like deeper understanding, deeper conceptions, they have shifted to later as well. Like, they have just mentioned the word and then they have shifted all of the things in the later chapters. That's the like what I will say. I am like lost of words. That's the most greatness of them or whatever. Because yeah, if you wanna play with dignity, not p- whatever, like if you wanna mention that into a beginner's concept, that could be could be, obviously that could be complex, but that's the thing. You should have mentioned, like, in the variable section. If they haven't mentioned the var, it wouldn't be like the most appropriate thing to do. But the concept of var is different. It should not be explained to a beginner. So that's why they have come up with these things, and these amused me the most. So that's the thing. Rather than that, they have everything covered over here. And the best thing that they have mentioned here is the modern JavaScript tutorial. It's actually the modern JavaScript tutorial, ES 2015, right? ES 2015, right? Yeah. And I think they will obviously add ES 2022 as well in here. And they have everything covered over here, like whatever you need, fundamentals and code equality, then objects, like object oriented programming over here, like objects and all. Then all of the data types again mentioned over here. Like I have read all of the data types as well, taking the basics they have all it, but they have mentioned that in more detailed manner in later chapters as well. So that's the greatness. Whatever, then there are tons of other chapters like classes, error handling, promises, async. That is most important. That is most important thing to know in modern JavaScript. They have kept all of those things here. Then like generators, advanced iterations, modules, and miscellaneous as well. And in the miscellaneous they have mentioned begint as well. Okay, so begint is obviously a data type that they should have like already mentioned in here, but they have made a separate chapter for it as well, as it have more features rather than just being a data type. So I'm really like impressed. I'm really impressed of them. And then when you get to the part 2, then you have more and more like advanced models, DOM manipulation, UI events, form controls, blah blah blah, and then additional articles as well. Like boom! Like seriously, this is the full JavaScript course. Like hands down, this is everything. I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. Whatever. That's about it about this whole website. I really liked it. Like how like I'm like sounding like a maniac right now while telling about this tutorial, because that much how I loved it, and I gonna follow it for sure to like increase like increase my game. Yeah, obviously increase my knowledge and all. And that's it. That's basically it for this website. And if you like my contents in general, please do subscribe to my channel, and the links of this website will be in the description. And rather than that, if you know about some of the great resources like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.